For thousands of years, gold has been cherished by people around the world. Known as a symbol of beauty and wealth, gold has adorned kings and queens throughout the ages. Its beauty and mystical attraction has made it the perfect precious metal for jewelry. In the alloying process, pure gold is combined with a mixture of other metals to obtain the necessary level of gold purity for jewelry. The other metals used are determined by the desired color of the finished piece. This special nickel-free alloy makes the jewelry hypoallergenic and gives the jewelry superior strength and beauty. The fine gold in alloys are heated to a molten state and poured into ingots, rods, or plates depending on the type of jewelry being produced. Assay samples are taken during this procedure to ensure the gold is plumb. The ingots are then ready to be transformed into beautiful gold jewelry. Or design is stamped out and made into a three-dimensional pattern. The back of the piece is closed and finished to give a solid appearance. Holes are drilled in the sides to allow for the hinges or pins which give the necklace or bracelet its flexibility. Automation makes this part of the production quicker and more precise. Some of the individual pieces of stampado must be assembled by hand. Each piece is carefully put together by inserting a wire which acts as a hinge or pin. Each pin is then soldered and clipped away from the outside of the piece. The sides are finished by grinding, lapping, and polishing to give the piece its finished look. This style of merchandise is truly crafted by hand. Figaro chain starts out as gold wire. First, gold rods are stretched through a series of holes until the desired length is achieved. During the process, the wire must be heated and cooled to restore the metal's flexibility. The gold is now in its unfinished wire stage. The wire is put through a series of stretching treatments to ensure final specifications for chain making. The spooled wire is fed into a machine, which bends and curls, then cuts the wire to create ringlets. Depending on the pattern of the chain, the ringlets vary in shape. The Figaro machine is actually a combination of two different machines put together. Each one executes one type of link. The machine needs to link together two different shapes and sizes. It is possible to program the machine to achieve the desired line combination. The machine executes a sequence of 3 smaller links and 1 long link to create the Figaro look. The ringlets are run through a powdered solder bath and then put onto a conveyor oven, which heats and solders the open ends and forms a closed link. Another machine hammers the chain, preparing the chain for the next process, diamond cutting. The diamond cutting process gives the chain its beveled edges and mirror-like finish. This machine can also apply various patterns on the chain's surface. Cutting to specific lengths, placing locks on each chain is one of the last steps in the manufacturing process. And now, it's ready for delivery.